Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for a Fidelity investment account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started with the video. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in fidelity.com and search. You will now end up in the homepage of fidelity.com. Fidelity Investment is a large financial service that offers a wide range of investment options and services. They provide retirement planning, wealth management, brokerage services, and financial advice. To sign up for a new account on Fidelity Investment, go ahead and click on the Open an Account button on the left-hand side menu. Now on the next page, click on the Open Account button right under one of the services you would like to use to sign up with. You can choose from retirement and IRAs, from where you can save for your retirement with access to a broad range of investments. You can also go ahead and open an account for a brokerage account, health and savings account, cash management, and college saving plans. You can also go ahead and view all the accounts type and choose from the options. Once you are done, you can now select your account type. I'm going to choose invest and trade. Select how you would want to manage your investment and click on apply. You will then be able to search for the criteria according to your need. Now simply click on open an account and get started with the sign up process. After choosing one of the area, answer some of the questions and then you will be proceeded with the account creation process. Now, in order to create an account, you will need some of your information such as your full name, social security number, the name of your country, and your address information. Type in your credentials, make sure to type in your name correct, and then also mention your social security number. Select your date of birth from the drop down. Also make sure to provide your email address you have an access to so that they can reach out to you with the help of your email. Enter your address information, which includes your name of the state, zip code, and the name of your city. Finally, after filling in your details, click on Next. And if the credentials that you provided is valid, you will be proceeded with the sign-up process. Once you follow through the instruction and create a new account for Fidelity, you can then go ahead and manage your investment on your own or seeking guidance from financial advisors, since the investment account has tools and resources to help you achieve your financial goals. So that's how you will be able to sign up and create a new account with Fidelity Investment. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.